Hey there, garden lovers! Imagine this, it's fall in Zone 9, and while some might think it's time for gardens to slow down, guess what? Your garden can actually thrive if you give it the right boost. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets to fertilizing your fall garden for maximum growth. Stick around to learn the exact steps that'll keep your plants thriving all season long. Why fall fertilization matters. So, why fertilize in the fall? Many people think spring is the only time to nourish plants, but for those of us in Zone 9, fall is prime time. Our warmer climate means that plants can keep growing longer, and they'll need all the energy they can get to stay strong. Plus, fall fertilizing helps strengthen the soil for winter, so it's ready for next season's growth. Choose the right fertilizer. First up, let's talk about choosing the right fertilizer. For fall gardens, you want something balanced but also rich in phosphorus and potassium. Why? Phosphorus promotes strong roots, and potassium helps plants withstand cool nights and prepare for winter. Look for something with a ratio like 5-10-10 or 4-8-4. Organic options like compost, bone meal, or fish emulsion are fantastic for feeding the soil slowly over time. They're packed with nutrients and add life to your soil by improving its structure. Timing is everything. Now let's talk timing. For fall fertilizing, you don't want to do it too early or too late. The best time? Right at the start of fall. This timing gives your plants a steady release of nutrients as temperatures begin to cool down, helping them build up energy for the season. Application techniques. Once you have your fertilizer, how you apply it is just as important. Here's how to do it right. For garden beds, scatter the fertilizer evenly across the soil surface, then gently mix it into the top few inches of soil with a hand rake or garden fork. For individual plants, sprinkle the fertilizer around the base of each plant, but avoid direct contact with the stem. Gently water it in to help nutrients seep down to the roots. Quick note, don't over-fertilize. A little goes a long way, especially in the fall when plants need steady, not overwhelming nutrients. Add organic matter. This is the secret sauce. Adding organic matter like compost or aged manure in fall is one of the best ways to enrich your garden. Not only does it give plants a slow-release source of nutrients, but it also improves soil health by boosting beneficial organisms. Just layer a couple of inches of compost over your garden beds and let nature do the work. Water wisely. After you fertilize, make sure to give your garden a good, deep watering. This helps the nutrients soak into the soil and reach the roots more effectively. During fall, however, remember to adjust watering depending on the weather. Too much water can leach nutrients away, and too little can leave your plants thirsty. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're setting your fall garden up for success in Zone 9. With the right fertilizer, good timing, and a few special tricks, your garden will stay lush and healthy well into the season. So go ahead, get out there and give your plants the boost they need to thrive this fall. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more garden secrets that'll keep your plants thriving all year round. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.